All right, guys. So if you actually ask me right now that which project should I recommend for you to like focus on very well, it is actually this particular Node Pixel, and I'm going to tell you why I actually said that right now. All right. So if yours is currently not adding, I'm going to show you what you need to do in this particular video for your balance to be adding, right here. I'm going to show you the proof of how I'm going to do that and how my balance is going to be adding also in this particular video, right? So if you're just new watching, please give this video a thumb like. Then at the end of this particular video, you can decide if you want to subscribe or not, right? So it is left to you to decide that. All right, so but do well to give this video a thumb like, please. And if you're a returning viewer, thanks so much for coming. I add you right here. So let's continue in this particular video, right? So the first thing first, which you are going to be doing, is actually getting to know your templates. I've been saying this in many of my videos that you need to have a template to be able to get your allocation right here. Sorry, let me get this done. All right, so you need to know your template to be able to get your allocation right there, and that is quite simple and straightforward, right? So you can see I'm currently zooming out and zooming in right here. So we have a lot of templates showing up in this particular site. So let me just show you one, right? So this is currently my template, right? You can see at this particular icon, let me make this back. At this particular side, you can see my template, I have it right there, and I'm going to click on this right here. So once I click on my template and actually zoom out up like this, so now I need to paint right here. So right, I need to paint, then I'm going to be painting on this template, which is this part, and I know this part is going to be black. Then I'm going to change out my color to black. I'm going to click on black right here. Yes, so I've currently clicked on black actually, right? So you can see black is well selected already, and focus on this particular side. I'm currently having 3,000 on this account right here. So let's see if it's going to add up or not, right? So I'll go back to this, then zoom again, then just click. I want to make sure it's zoomed at once, right? So I don't need to tamper with it, zooming again. Then I need to focus on the black. So I'm going to click on one black right here. So let's see, we have one blue. I'm going to click on one. I want to make sure I click on a color I can see. All right, so let me click on the color I can see. All right, so this is 11, and 11 is supposed to be added to this right here. So then check on white. You click on white. You can see, so 11 was added. So you need to be patient. See, 11 was added. Let me click on another one, right? Yellow, another 11. So wait for a little while. You are going to see the 11 is going to be adding right here. So you might currently ask me that how, okay, so you can see 23, right? So you can currently ask me that how do I get this template, right? So I'm going to show you right here. So all you need to do firstly is actually come to this side. So click on this particular icon right here. You can see I have this icon right here, this picture. Then click on it. So once you click on this picture, you scroll down, then you click on this catalog right here. You click on it, so you're going to be getting a template, right? So you scroll down, then you click on the template you actually want to use, right? So in this particular video, right, you can see I actually used this particular one, right? So the reason why I used this particular template was that I'm having about 150k people using this particular template at now, and this one is using 130, but I'm familiar with white and black, and if you check out this particular site, people are actually using this. So you can see from this video I use this and it's also adding up, so you can try this out. So just click on this and you're going to see, click on template right here. Let me show you the one you can check out. Before I move further, I have a link to my Telegram. It's at the description of this particular video, so if you like to join, you can go ahead to join right there. So let's continue into this. Let me finish up and let's see if the rest is going to be adding. So I'm going to click on another. Hey, this one has gone. I need to be fast about it. Okay, I can see another color right here. Then click on 11 also. So I get 11 right here, and this is going to be adding also. You can see 34. Then let me just finish up with this. So if you're still actually having issue with this particular stuff, I have a link at the description to my Telegram. You can come right here. Let's check out your accounts together and let's see what you're currently doing wrong, why this thing is actually not adding up right here. I'm going to be making more further video for you and how you can actually increase your mining. Do not forget to always come right here to claim your daily claim, and this is how to boost up your mining also. All right, so for painting reward, right, you need to like upgrade to be able to get higher painting reward right here. So I'm currently on level 5. If you can see, the recharge speed also is about 8 minutes for me, so upgrade to level 5 right here. And the energy is also upgrade to level 4, right? So that is basically how you actually mine in this particular video. Now that you've currently watched and you actually get one or two to learn from this particular video, then are you going to subscribe or not? All right, so thank you for subscribing and thank you for liking. So I'm going to see you in my next video, guys. I love you all. Peace out.